Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we have started with the unit number 8 of our GK syllabus, and today we are going to continue with the same, covering some of the topics from the same unit number 8, that is world around us. Okay, so now today we are going to start with the next topic of our GK, that is airports of the world, given at page number 30. So all of you are requested to open your books at page number 30, that is airports of the world. Okay, so I'll just write the topic on the world, and while that all of you just open your books at page number 30, that is airports of the world. The topic is airports of the world, given at page number 30. Airports of the world. Okay, so what is the meaning of this heading, airports of the world? Okay, so as you know, there are various airports all around the world. Some are the domestic ones, some are the international one also. So in this topic we are going to discuss about the various airports of the world. Okay, तो जो that were named after the some of the great personalities, dignitaries. सो आज हम उन अलग अलग एयरपोर्ट्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि कौन सी कंट्री में, कौन सी सिटी में इंडिया की या किसी अदर देन इंडिया, तो बहुत सारे अलग अलग कंट्रीज हैं जहाँ पे बहुत सारे एयरपोर्ट्स हैं. ओके, सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द नेम्स ओके ऑफ दैट एयरपोर्ट्स, कि कौन कौन से अलग अलग एयरपोर्ट्स हैं दुनिया में जिनको अलग अलग जो ग्रेट पर्सनालिटीज़ हैं, कुछ पर्सनस हैं जिनके नेम पे उनका नाम रखा गया है. क्लियर? नाउ सो ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विच एयरपोर्ट यू कैन, दैट इज जैसे कि हमारे बनारस में इन आवर सिटी दैट इज वाराणसी वी आर हैविंग ए एयरपोर्ट. द नेम ऑफ द एयरपोर्ट इज लाल बहादुर शास्त्री Airport, international airport. Okay, so it's an international. Earlier it was the domestic airports. Domestic airports or international airports में difference क्या बेटा? So the difference between the domestic and the international airport is that in the domestic airports the flights from within the country, मतलब जो कंट्री के अंदर, दुनिया के सॉरी अपनी ही कंट्री के अंदर जितने भी स्टेट्स हैं, जितने भी एयरपोर्ट्स हैं, वहीं से जो फ्लाइट्स आती है वही लैंड करती हैं. सो ओके, सो विद इन द कंट्री, जो कंट्री की ही जो सारी फ्लाइट्स हैं, मतलब बाहरी कंट्री से कोई भी फ्लाइट नहीं आती, सिर्फ इंडिया के अंदर की जितने अलग अलग एयरपोर्ट्स हैं वहीं से फ्लाइट आती है. सो दैट इज डोमेस्टिक एयरपोर्ट्स. एंड द अनदर वन इज द इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट्स. इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट्स आर दोज एयरपोर्ट्स वेयर द फ्लाइट्स फ्रॉम द अनदर कंट्रीज ऑल्सो केम. तो दूसरी कंट्री से भी जहाँ पे फ्लाइट्स आती हैं दे आर नोन एज इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट्स. ओके, so today we are going to start with some of the airports. Okay, so starting with the tidbit that is given here. The Kansai airport in the Japan is built entirely on an artificial island so that it can operate 24 hours a day without disturbing people with the noise. Okay, so Kansai एक airport का नाम है. कांसा इज द नेम ऑफ एन एयरपोर्ट दैट इज इन जापान, और ये बना है दैट इज बिल्ट ऑन एन आर्टिफिशियल आइलैंड. ये एक आर्टिफिशियल आइलैंड है, उसके ऊपर बनाया गया है. एंड दिस एयरपोर्ट वर्क्स 24 आवर्स अ डे. तो ये 24 घंटे, दिस एयरपोर्ट वर्क्स 24/7, मतलब ये 24 घंटे 24/7 आवर्स 24 आवर्स 7 डेज ये वर्किंग में रहता है. एंड दो इट इज़ अ वेरी, it is working 24/7, so that means it is one of the busiest airport. और जहाँ पे आवाज़ आएगी वो भी ऑब्वियसली बहुत नॉइजी होएगा एयरपोर्ट, क्योंकि एयरपोर्ट्स के आसपास बहुत नॉइज होती है, बिकॉज जो प्लेन्स के आने की और उसकी आवाज़ है दैट इज मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. सो द एरिया, इसलिए जो एयरपोर्ट्स हैं, एक तो उनको रनवे के लिए अच्छा डिस्टेंस चाहिए होता है. दिस इज द रीजन कि चाहे एयरपोर्ट्स होते हैं वो हमेशा थोड़ी सिटी से बाहर होते हैं. Another reason is due to the noise also. There is a lots of noise came from the airports. जब प्लेन टेक ऑफ करता है या लैंड करता है. ओके, So this is a Kansai is an airport that is built on an artificial island that is in Japan. Okay, and it works for 24 hours a day, and this is built for the people, लोगों की भलाई के लिए बनाया गया, so that people जो हैं, जो लोग हैं वहाँ के रहने वाले, वो उसकी आवाज़ से, जो उसकी नॉइज से हैं, जो उसके आवाज़ से हैं, शोर से डिस्टर्ब ना हो. So that's why this airport was built. Okay, so today we are going to start with some of the names of the various airports. The first one is the International Airport at Kolkata shares its name with an Indian freedom fighter famous for his motivational slogan Dilli Chalo. So there is an international airport in Kolkata. So कलकत्ता में या कोलकाता आप बोलिए, तो कलकत्ता में या कोलकाता में एक इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट है जिसका की नाम हमारे इंडिया के फ्रीडम फाइटर, सो इट इज़ नेम्ड आफ्टर द वन ऑफ द इंडियन फ्रीडम फाइटर, जो आज़ादी की लड़ाई में हमारे जो हमारे फ्रीडम फाइटर्स थे, उन्हीं में से किसी एक फ्रीडम फाइटर के नेम पे इस इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट दैट इज़ इन कोलकाता इज़ नेम्ड. ओके, एंड द स्लोगन ऑफ दैट, जो जिनके नाम पे ये एयरपोर्ट रखा, जिनके नाम के ऊपर इस एयरपोर्ट का नाम रखा गया है, एंड वन ऑफ हिज फेमस मोटिवेशनल स्लोगन वॉज दिल्ली चलो. सो दिस वॉज दिल्ली चलो स्लोगन, जिन्होंने दिल्ली चलो स्लोगन दिया था, जो कि एक मोटिवेशनल स्लोगन है. ओके, दैट एयरपोर्ट इज नेम्ड आफ्टर हिम. सो विच फ्रीडम फाइटर हैज गिवन द स्लोगन दिल्ली चलो? विच फ्रीडम फाइटर हैज गिवन द स्लोगन दिल्ली चलो? सो दैट इज नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस. तो नेताजी जो थे हमारे, दैट इज नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस हैज गिवन दिस स्लोगन दिल्ली चलो. एंड सेम द इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट दैट इज इन कोलकाता इज नेम्ड आफ्टर हिम. ओके, एंड इट्स एन इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट, एंड नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस was one of our freedom fighters. Okay, so the answer of the first one is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Okay, the first one is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. International International Airport. So this is an international airport in Kolkata, and it is named after one of the freedom fighters from our country, that is Subhash Chandra Bose, जिनको कि नेताजी बुलाया जाता था. He was given the name Netaji. His name was Subhash Chandra Bose, but he was given the name Netaji, and that's why he was called as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And the international airport that is in Kolkata is named after him. Okay, this is the name of the international airport, that is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Clear? This is the answer of the first one. Moving next to the second one. The second one is, this international airport in the New Orleans, Louisiana, is named after a famous jazz singer. Okay, so there is an international airport that is in New Orleans. This is the name of the country where this airport is situated. Okay, and New Orleans is the name of the country where this international airport is situated, or is built. Actually, not situated, built. Okay, and the name of this airport is named after a famous jazz singer. So jazz is kind of a music. Okay, that is playing with the help of trumpet. जो trumpet एक आपने सुना होगा, that is a musical instrument. So उसकी help से जो jazz music है वो बजाया जाता है. Okay, so जो music उससे produce होता है, that is a jazz music. Okay, so this international airport that is in New Orleans is named after one of the famous singers of jazz, famous jazz singer. तो एक famous jazz singer है, उनके नाम पे इस एयरपोर्ट का, इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट का नाम रखा है गया. द नेम वेयर इट इज located in New Orleans. that is Louisiana. Okay, so the name of this airport is, that is Louis Armstrong International Airport. So the name of this airport is Louis Armstrong. ओके, नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग जैसे थे तो वैसे इनका नाम है लुइस आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट, एंड दिस एयरपोर्ट इज इन द न्यू ऑर्लियंस, दैट इज लुइसियाना. ओके, so the name of the airport that is named after one of the famous jazz singer is Louis Armstrong International Airport, that is in New Orleans, Louisiana, and it is the name of a famous jazz singer. Okay, so I'll just write the answer of the second one, that is Louis, Louis, Louis Armstrong, Armstrong, Louis Armstrong International, International International Airport, AIRPORT, Louis Armstrong International Airport. Okay, that is in New Orleans, Louisiana. Okay, now moving next to the third one. This international airport in Austria is named after a renowned Western classical music composer. So the next international airport, or the airport international, actually it is an international airport. Okay, so the next international airport that we are talking about, that is in Austria, not Australia. It is a different country. The name is Austria, AUSTRIA. So this is the name of a country. Okay, so there is an international airport in Austria. Okay, and the name of this airport is named, so this airport is named after one of the famous and dignitary Western classical music composer. So इस एयरपोर्ट का नाम किसके नाम पे रखा गया है? एक बहुत ही महान वेस्टर्न क्लासिकल, जो वेस्टर्न का क्लास, जो वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज उनका जो क्लासिकल है, जैसे हमारा इंडियन क्लासिकल है, सो देयर इज वेस्टर्न क्लासिकल एज वेल. ओके, सो दिस इज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन ऑफ द वेस्टर्न क्लासिकल सिंगर, sorry, वेस्टर्न क्लासिकल म्यूजिक कंपोजर, नॉट सिंगर. So this airport is named, this airport that is in Austria is named after one of the Western classical music composer. Okay, and the name of this airport is W.A. Mozart. This is the name of this international airport that is located in Austria, that is W.A. Mozart. Okay, W.A. Mozart Airport, W.A. Mozart Airport. So the answer of the third one is W.A. Mozart, M-O-Z-A-R-T, Mozart Airport, A-I-R-P-O-R-T. So this W.A. Mozart Airport is located in, or situated is, or built, this W.A. Mozart Airport is in Austria. कहाँ है ये? ऑस्ट्रिया में है. Okay, and this airport is named, the W.A. Mozart is the name of a Western classical music composer. So this airport is named after him only, that is W.A. Mozart. Okay, he is one of the Western classical music composer. Clear? So this is the answer of the fourth one. So you can just pause the third one. So you can just pause your videos here and note it down in your books. The first one is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. That this airport is in Kolkata. ये कोलकाता हमारी कंट्री में ही एक इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट है, that is in Kolkata. Second one is Louis Armstrong International Airport. So Louis Armstrong International Airport is in New Orleans, Louisiana. This is the name of the city, and this name of city or the country where it is located. So this Louis Armstrong International Airport is named after a famous jazz singer. Okay, and the name of this airport is Louis Armstrong International Airport. Third one is W.A. Mozart. So W.A. Mozart is the name of the one of the greatest Western classical music composer, and that there's this airport is in Austria. So this is one of the international airports in Austria, and the name of this airport is W.A. Mozart Airport. Clear? So you can just pause the video here and note it down in your books. Okay, now let's move to the fourth one. Now moving to the fourth one. The fourth one is named after a former president of France. This is the main airports of Paris. Okay, so now we are talking about one of the main airports of Paris. Okay, जो Paris है, that is in France. So Paris is a city where the Eiffel Tower is there. Okay, so here we are talking about one of the main airport of Paris. Okay, and this airport is named after a former president of France. So France के एक पहले, former means पहले के या पुराने या पहले की जो राष्ट्रपति से, not the present one. Okay, former means पहले जो प्रधानमंत्री president थे, राष्ट्रपति थे वहाँ के. So this airport, that is one of the main airports of Paris, and it is named after the former president of France. So what is the name of this airport? So the name of this airport is Charles de Gaulle Airport. So this is the name of the one of the president of France, former president of France. Okay, his name was Charles de Gaulle, and at his name the airport is named. Okay, इन्हीं के नाम पे जो पेरिस में एक एयरपोर्ट है उनका नाम रखा गया है. The name of that airport is Charles de Gaulle Airport. Okay, so the answer of the fourth one is Charles de Gaulle Airport. That is the answer of the fourth one. The fourth one is Charles, C-H-A-R-L-E-S, Charles D Gaulle, G-A-U-L-L-E, Charles de Gaulle Airport. Charles de Gaulle Airport, that is in Paris. This is one of the main airports of Paris, and it is named after the former president of France. तो जो फ्रांस के एक पहले जो एक प्रधानमंत्री रह चुके, सॉरी प्रेसिडेंट, राष्ट्रपति जो रह चुके हैं, उन्हीं के नाम पे इस एयरपोर्ट का जो नाम है रखा गया है. क्लियर? मूविंग नेक्स्ट टू द फिफ्थ वन. द इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट इन साइबेरिया is named after the pioneer of AC electrical supply supplements. Okay, so now here we are talking. देखिए अभी तक हमने जितने भी एयरपोर्ट्स के नाम पढ़े, they were named after some of the great personalities. Okay, all around the world. कुछ सिंगर्स के नाम पे, ठीक है, कुछ लीडर्स के नाम पे, कुछ फ्रीडम फाइटर्स के नेम पे हैं जो कुछ एयरपोर्ट्स के नाम रखे गए हैं. सो हेयर नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन ऑफ द एयरपोर्ट्स which is named after the pioneer of AC electrical supply supplements. So this is a name, this airport is named after a company that is supply the AC supplements. जो AC air condition, okay, एक electrical supply करती है. So this airport is named after that. So this is named after a pioneer of AC electrical supplement, and this is in Siberia. So साइबेरिया में ये एक एयरपोर्ट है. ओके, एंड इट इज नेम्ड, it is not named after any other person or something. It is named after a pioneer of AC supplements, supply supplements. So AC के जो सप्लाई जो सप्लीमेंट्स बेचते हैं उनके नाम पे इस एयरपोर्ट का नाम रखा गया है. एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस एयरपोर्ट इज Nikola Tesla. So Tesla, I think you have heard about the Tesla motors. Okay, this is one of the I think you have done in class 4 as well. Okay, so the Tesla motors is one of the has invented the first car with combustion engine, if you remember. Okay, so this is also Nikola Tesla Airport, that is in Siberia. So this is the only airport that is named after a pioneer of a AC supply supplement. Okay, systems. Okay, the name of the fifth that is airport is Nikola Tesla, that is in Serbia. No, it's not Serbia, it's not Siberia, it's Serbia. This the name of the country is Serbia, and it is also an international airport. और ये एक international airport भी है. Okay, so the name of this Nikola Tesla Airport, that is in Serbia. Nikola, Nikola, Nikola Tesla Airport. Nikola Tesla Airport, that is in Serbia. Serbia, that is Serbia. Nikola Tesla Serbia. So Nikola Tesla Airport, that is in Serbia. This is also one of the international airports, okay, of Serbia. So this is the answer of the fourth and the fifth one. The fourth one is Charles de Gaulle, that airport, that is in Paris, France. The next is, and it is named after one of the former presidents of France. Next is the Nikola Tesla Airport. This is one of the unique airport which is named after a pioneer of AC supply, electrical supply supplements. Okay, and this is the name of this airport is Nikola Tesla Airport. Okay, and this is in Serbia. This is the name of the country where it is located, that is in Serbia. Serbia. So this is the answer of the fourth and the fifth one. So you can just pause your videos here and note it down in your books. Chaliye. Now moving next to the B part of the same. Okay, name the airlines. Okay, so now moving to the B part of the same topic, airports of the world. So in the B part, what we are going to do is, so the heading in the B part is given, name the airlines whose logos are given below. So here you can see the logos of some of the airlines. कुछ airlines के logos दिए हुए हैं, and you have to name the airlines, कौन सी airlines के वो logos हैं. Okay, so you have to name the airlines जिसके ये logos हैं. So starting with the first one, this is the logo of our own country, or of our country from, airlines from our own country, that is Air India. Okay, so this is the logo of Air India. Okay, this is the name of airlines, that is Air India. So the first one is, first logo is of Air India. ARINIINDIA, Air India. Okay, this is the logo of one of the airlines in India, that is Air India. Clear? Moving to the second one. This is the logo of Air Madagascar. Okay, so this is the name of the airlines that is in Madagascar. Okay, so the second logo is of Air Madagascar. Air Air Madagascar. MADAGASCAR, Madagascar. So second logo is of Air Madagascar. Clear? Moving next to the third one. So which one? What is the third logo? This logo is of New Zealand. So this is the logo of Air New Zealand. Okay, so ये New Zealand की जो airlines है, New Zealand अपने country का नाम सुना होगा. So this is the logo of the Air New Zealand. Okay, so this is one of the airline services from the New Zealand. Okay, its logo is here, that is Air New Zealand. Air New Zealand. This is one of the airlines from New Zealand, that is Air New Zealand. Okay, and its logo is given here. Clear? Next one. Okay, that is the logo of Emirates. Okay, this is the Air Emirates. Okay, the fourth logo is of Emirates, that is from the Dubai. Emirates कहाँ की है? that is of Dubai. So Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi. So this is the common airlines that is used in Dubai. Okay, so this is the airlines from Dubai. Okay, and the name of this airlines is Emirates. Okay, so the people from the Dubai are known as WN. Okay, and this is the airlines from the Dubai only, and that is Emirates. Okay, the fourth logo is of Emirates. You can see it here. This is the logo of the Emirates Airlines. Clear? And जो Emirates Airlines के जहाज होते हैं, I think that are the biggest one. शायद मैंने सुना है, I have heard somewhere that the Emirates Airlines, the what we call it, planes, the flights of Emirates are the biggest flights. Okay, they carry more passenger than the normal flights. Okay, now moving next to the fifth one. This is the logo of the airlines from Sri Lanka. So this is Sri Lanka Airlines. So this is the logo of Sri Lanka Airlines. This is the fifth one. That is Sri Lanka Airlines. Sri Lanka Airlines. Sri Lanka Airlines. Okay. First one is Air India, second is Air Madagascar, third one is Air New Zealand, fourth is Emirates, and the last one is the Sri Lanka Airlines. So you can just pause this one also and note it down in your books. Clear? So now we are left with only one part of the same page, that is matching. So matching is given here. So what is given in the matching? Let's find out. Match these airports with the countries they belong to. So now we have to match the name of the countries with the name of the airports जहाँ से वो country जो airports के name दिए हुए, and we have to tell कि ये this airport is situated in which country. So ये किस country में कौन सा airport है. So this one we are going to do here. That is the third part of the same page. So we have to match the name of the airports with the name of their countries to which they belong. Okay. The first one is Frankfurt Airport. Frankfurt Airport is in Germany. That is the C1. So Frankfurt Airport is in Germany. So the answer of that is a matching. Okay. So the answer of the first one is C. That is Germany. Germany. So Frankfurt Airport is in Germany. Frankfurt Airport is in Germany. Next is Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. So this is the name of an airport, and that is in Indonesia. Okay. So Soekarno-Hatta International Airport is in Indonesia. That is the E1. Indonesia. 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 Third one, that is Suvarnabhumi Airport. Suvarnabhumi Airport. So where is Suvarnabhumi Airport? So Suvarnabhumi Airport is in Thailand. That is B1. So Suvarnabhumi Airport is in, that is the B part, B1, that is Thailand. THILAND. So जो Suvarnabhumi Airport है वो कौन सी country में है? That is in Thailand. So Suvarnabhumi. So it is little bit pronunciating like हमारी हिंदी language की तरह. Okay, the fourth one is Narita International Airport. Narita International Airport. So this Narita International Airport is located in Japan. That is answer number A. So Narita International Airport is in Japan. JAPAN. That is in Japan. So Narita International Airport is in Japan. Chaliye, now moving next to the last one. That is Ninoy Aquino International Airport. So the name of the airport is Ninoy Aquino International Airport. So this is in Philippines. This is an airport that is in Philippines. That is option number D. That is in Philippines. PHILIPPINES. So Ninoy Aquino International Airport is in Philippines. So these are the answers from the matching given at page number 30. Clear? Just note it down in your books. Okay. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a good day.